Alright, so I'm here in Prescott, Arizona, and sometimes you gotta get creative. I haven't really shown much of the load. So I picked up this John Deere tractor in Des Moines, Iowa. It was a online purchase, I guess. It's a, I think a 135E, if I remember. Complete legal load, fortunately, which is kind of nice. Didn't have to run oversized, so I was able to run at night. But I got here last night and I knew they didn't have a loading dock, but what they do have is they have these gravel piles. So it's DG, dirt and gravel. Pretty hard stuff. What I did is I dropped the bags on the trailer already, and I'm gonna back up the trailer to the DG, and then I'm gonna use the excavator to level it out. Biggest thing I don't want to damage, you can't really see, but I have these ramp connectors right here, the ramps. These things are just, I mean, it's strong aluminum, but it's not going to support 40,000 pounds for these tracks. It'll tear them up. So I want to make sure that I protect those as much as possible, and don't damage the trailer. I mean, that's the biggest thing. But it's kind of nice out there. You can see the sun starting to come up. It's definitely off the beaten path. I mean, Prescott's a decent sized city within Arizona. Really beautiful up here. It's about 50 degrees though, 48, 50 degrees. It's kind of chilly. I actually put pants on. So. But we're gonna get this thing unchained. 135D, not E. And then we're gonna do what we need to do. Man, that sucks. Did some plowing right there with my ramps. It looks like they're okay. What I can tell. All right. Oh, battery's dead. Supposedly, the mechanic's gonna be here soon, so I guess I'll just wait. So, since I can't start the excavator at the moment, I'm going to do a little bit of prep work. Found a rake, and I'm gonna pull this stuff down. Just pull from the top and knock the top off and get as level as possible. Whew, it's a lot of work. Not really, I'm just out of shape. It sure would have been a lot easier with an excavator. Wonder where I could find one of those. I got in that Bobcat last night. You need a code to start it. So I was just gonna move the dirt and try and set up for a successful unload this morning. Set them out here pushing a rake. At least the scenery is nice. It's pretty up here. It's cold though, really cold. You can definitely tell fall is setting in up here in the mountains of Arizona. If you've never been up here, it's beautiful. "45 miles that way to our southwest on 89, SR 89. Is Yarnell. So that's home of the Granite Mountain Hot Shots, where they made the movie Only the Brave with Josh Brolin about the wildland firefighters, the hotshot team that got overcome by fire out in that area. I don't remember the year. It was several years ago, but they made a movie about it. It's a good movie. But that's up here, and there's a memorial you can hike into. I'd like to hit it up. You can't go down in a truck. That's something you got to do in the car. Man, I sure hope this mechanic shows up soon. This is for the birds. For the birds. See, it's more about just driving a truck down the road. Make yourself valuable by being able to do stuff like this. The truth be told, not everybody can do stuff like this. Not everybody can operate equipment. Not everybody, has the foresight to be creative without damaging equipment or getting hurt. To me, this job is like when I was a kid, and you'd see the construction workers with all the heavy machinery, and that stuff always intrigued me. So I thought it was pretty cool that I could, drive a truck and drive this equipment and kind of do all that. If I didn't drive this truck, granted my background is in law enforcement, and I have no desire to do that ever again. But I could be an equipment operator. I could see myself doing that. That'd be fun. Maybe not forever, but kind of like this trucking thing. I'm not gonna do this forever. I guess until it stops becoming fun, or I find something better that I still enjoy. Because if you wake up in the morning and you dread going to work and doing what you're doing, you're in the wrong line of work. The only thing I have to say about truck driving is, I really do wish, the biggest thing is I wish I could be home more. Who doesn't? But you make sacrifices, and with this company, I get back about every 8 to 14 days. So it's not too bad. And then I'm off for a few days, and head back out and do it all over again. And we haul a lot of the same stuff, and we hit the same routes. So generally, it's not too out of the ordinary of what we're hauling. It's stuff we know, so it's quick. Shippers we know, so we're in and out of there. Not a huge issue. Hear a helicopter. I was gonna put the drone in the air, but I remembered I passed an airport on my way in, so not gonna do that. I don't need any issues. Oh, here comes somebody. Hopefully it's the mechanic.